Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.4% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
US energy firms this week reduced the number of oil rigs active in the United States, even as crude prices continued to trade over $100 a barrel. Mainland Chinese stock exchanges have eliminated some of their taxes for companies located in areas where there have been outbreaks of COVID in order to cushion the economic impact of the country's severe containment measures. The euro weakened, but was set for its biggest weekly gains in 6 weeks as traders breathed a sigh of relief after Russia avoided default on dollar-denominated debt.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Irish Consumer Confidence will be released at 00 hours 01 minute GMT. Germany's Producer Price Index at 0700 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber Monthly Report at 1100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.